And strike three. Nasty pitch from Jack. And strike three. Struck out the side. Nasty pitch from Jack. High, ball four. 3-2, full. The pitch. Put in play and no play. 2-0 count. High. Full count. And 1 run scores off the walk. And walk. 5. And yep, 6-0 Mercy. 2. And strike 3. And ball 4. Three 1. Pitch. Popped up and caught. 1 out. Here you go. Pitch. Hit.
Run.
Safe. Piece. No play and single for Max. Ripped. And got Max out. Oh, and popped high up. And caught by Jack. The pitch. Strike 3. And game 1 goes to the Redbirds. Here you go. Nukes trying to get out. And good piece. Beat it out. And ball 4. Outside. Ball 4. Bases loaded for Saint. Piece. Out. Out at there. And ball 4. I know.
We can try to catch it, but ball 4.
Gets up to start here. 0-0 game. And ball 4 in the dirt. Bases loaded. Smoked.
Get out.
To the gap.
That's a single for 1. Let's go. Wait, that's 2 runs.
2 runs scored.
Bottom 1. Go, Nick.
And ball 4 high as he looks at that slider.
It was low,
Hits him. Ball 4. Base.
Let's wear one here. Let's wear it. Yep,
And low.
4-0.
4-0 here in the bottom of the first. 1-2 here. Pitch. And lined out. 1 out. Walk scores a run. Here we go. Pitch. Inside. Oh. Here you go. Pitch. Smoked. Home run. Smoked by Jack. 6-1. 6-1. As a 6-1 as he crushes that one.
Let's go, Jack. That a boy.
Here we go. Pitch. Nipped. Strike 3. What a pitch by Luke. Strike 3 and they get out of there. 3-2. And ball 4 inside.
Let's go, Nick. I mean, yeah, Nick.
1-2. 1-2. Strike 3. And strike 3. Looking to sweep here. Pitch. Popped up. Dropped.
What the heck is Nick doing?
It's game 2. They lost the first one 6-0.
There we go.
It hit him. Ball 4. Second. Pitch. Smoked. And dropped an error. The second error of the inning. Double error on the play. As it's 6-2. Nicholas makes 3 errors in the field this inning.
Yes, sir.
Should have just threw that jack.
Out! Out!
Oh, that's a bomb.
Yes! They won it! There's 2 outs. Yep, they won. And the Nukes keeping their hopes alive, the series alive here, winning 6-3. Pitch. Strike 3. And strike 3. They got out of there. Struck out the side there. 3 pitches for both batters. Is that an immaculate inning?
That was immaculate inning.
An immaculate inning from Jack. First of the year. Smoked. Safe. Oh, and it's smoked to pass Luke. Corner. Pitch for Luke. Off the hands. In ball 4. Bases loaded here for the Redbirds. Redbirds looking for their first score of the game. And low. Ball 4. Pitch. Inside. Hit him. Ball 4. 2-0 Redbirds here at the bottom of the first. 1. Pitch. Put in play. And out. 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 Fouled. I mean fair. Fair. Popped up. Caught. And they get out of the inning. Good piece by Nick. Out. I already caught it before you got there. Oh, then they get out of there. Popped up. And a nice catch by Nick. 1 down. 1. Ball 4. Ball 4. We got 1. Missed him. Safe. Get him. What are you doing?
Let's go.
Change. Dude, Nick, get to the middle. Out. No. Here we go. Pitch. Fair. turn. He was out at first. Redbirds win the series. They are moving on to the World Series against the Ballers.